Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2015 Regulator 34 with Trip 300 Yamahas in the back. So what we'll do, we're going to go through the boat, point out some of the high points. Now, Regulator is known to build a high-quality boat, excellent hull design. For instance, this V right here has the huge Carolina flare, beautiful running strakes all the way down. That's performance handling. Everything is built for a dry, stable ride. Big Carolina flare. So another thing you'll notice, extremely high gunnels all the way around. This one's powered with, this is your preferred power here, Trip 300s. So this also has joystick docking, beautiful hardtop. So this is a hardcore fishing boat, but this particular model also offers you a lot of creature comforts with enclosed head, with seating up front. So let's go ahead and jump on it. We'll go through a couple things, and I'm just going to point out some of the options. Number one, not an option, but all the service is up to date on the motors. You do have, the oversized trim tabs as well as underwater lights. Boat's been fully detailed. Very, very nice condition. But the biggest thing on this boat, and Regulators are built for, is going to be performance and ride quality. So really nice cockpit layout here. And we were talking about creature comforts before. You've got a nice grill here. If you want to do some hot dogs or hamburgers, or if you catch something nice, clean it and cook it on the boat. She does have shore power, huge hard top. You probably have 20 plus rod holders all the way around. Big fish box in the back. This one's also your Yamaha joystick docking. This one also has point here, so if you're over a fishing spot or if you're waiting to go under a bridge or something, all you do is hit that, keeps the boat perfectly still. This one has your big Garmin's on it right here. These are the 7616 XSV. We also have your Simrad autopilot, Fusion stereo, tilt wheel, digital throttle and shift. And the boat also has quite a bit of storage to it, and everything is kind of no frills to it. So definitely designed for kind of the hardcore fisherman, but also a super comfortable boat. Very comfortable captain chairs right here. Down on the head compartment, fully enclosed head, and there's a lot of room. I mean, I'm 5'8", and I'm down here. So one unique thing that Regulator does, you also have air conditioning. So it's a 12-volt system. Battery switches are here, easy to get to. Nice microwave, refrigerator, fully enclosed head with holding tank and dockside discharge. And this goes way up in there. This is the front sun pad. All the canvas comes with it. And with the air conditioning, if you wanted to run offshore or spend an occasional night on the boat, it's comfortable, especially here in Florida. So going up front, another thing I'll point out, you've got combing bolsters all the way around, which makes it much more comfortable. Huge sun pad. This drops down, makes into a giant sun pad. Of course, you've got up front your windlass and everything, and more seating here. So this makes a nice family boat, even if you've got, a bunch of people running offshore or whatever. Very, very comfortable. So to recap, this is a 2015 Regulator 34. Trip 300s back here. Boat's in very nice condition, located at MarineMax in Venice. And again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. We'll talk to you soon.